lately Tori has been making this sandwich and it's really, really good. It's croissant, egg, bacon, and jelly. And cheese is on here.
Yep.
And cheese. So it's been helping us save a lot of money.
That's low.
Because we were getting like Starbucks sandwiches like every day. And then one day he was like, I wonder if I can make this. And he did. And it's been really good. So I'm about to eat breakfast. Got some water here. And then I'm gonna have my coffee because I need some coffee. So here's my planner that we're going to flip open to my schedule section. And within my schedule, I do have an overview of my entire week. We are currently on Thursday, and I'd like to look at my schedule here and then think about everything that I have listed here and see if I am able to do all of these things. So let me zoom you in. So far, it is 8:15. I was supposed to do orders this morning, but I ended up sleeping in. So I'm going to change this. We did start filming. I do have a meeting at my daughter's school. I have a client meeting, I have lunch, and then I have an event tonight. My podcast is already done and scheduled, so I'm just gonna check that off. But that is my day. I did want to get my nails done as well, so I might ask my husband to go to this meeting so that I can do that. I'm gonna do a couple of orders before I head out to my appointment. I have about 10 minutes before it's time for me to go. So we got a set of the side tabs, a set of the top tabs in the big and the classic size. That was on here. So if y'all didn't know, we have the classic size and the big size of my disc-bound covers. And I have been loving these covers, and now that I have them in the classic size, everything matches, and that makes me so happy. Okay, headed to the nail shop, one of my favorite places to be.
Done.
Hi, morning. Okay, we're in the car headed to, where are we going?
The boulevard.
The boulevard. The boulevard. I think.
Text.
So we are headed to the boulevard. We're going to meet up with a brand that I believe I'm going to be working with. And so hopefully I will have a bunch of details for you all later on, because y'all know I don't bring too many companies or brands to you all because I have to make sure that they like resonate with what I do and what I believe in. So you all will see, but we're headed to lunch with them, and then I have a speaking engagement right after. So say hi, Tori.
Hey, I'm chauffeuring and assisting today. So whatever you need. How's the temperature? You need some water? You want some gum? You need a mint?
No, I'm good. I'm good.
You need a charger for your phone?
I probably need that. I need to put on my seatbelt on. I got into $25,000 of credit card debt and had to relearn the principles and relearn and kind of start my journey over. And so what it taught me is that no matter where you are currently, you can always start over. Today is always day one, and it's never too late.